The roof is heavily corroded. It will be difficult to save it. Yes, but not impossible.
Yeah, it's completely flat.
Looks like it's been like that a while.
Definitely not going anywhere. All right, let's see what we're working with here. The rear quarter has some deep scale.
This looks like original damage.
But the body structure is solid. This is salvageable. Time to go. Okay, ready for the hook.
All right, hooks in, stepping back.
Okay, take it slow.
Engaging the hydraulics, ready?
Ready.
All right, hooks in, stepping back.
Okay, take it slow.
Engaging the hydraulics, ready?
Ready. All right, here we are. It's been a long journey. Ready to bring her back to life? Okay, keep it coming, slow and steady. Perfect. Set it down right there. Keep rolling, just a little more. All right, stop right there.
Right.
Starting with the fender, here we go. Time to bring this beauty back to life. Let's do it.
Do it.
Watch the magic happen. All right, time to tackle this oil. Let's do it. All right, let's get this loose. Almost there. Got it. All right, time to tackle this oil. Let's do it. All right, let's get this loose. Almost there. Got it. All right, let's get this front wheel off. It's really stuck. There, almost, got it. Now to check the drum. All right, let's get this loose.
All right, time to pull this beast out. Got it. Looks pretty rough. Yeah, lots of work ahead.
All right, slowly now. Don't pull too hard on the wires.
Almost there. Got it.
All right, time for this old beast to go. Steady, easy. Got it. All right, come on, just a little more. There, got it. All right, gently, just a little higher, steady. Perfect, it's out.
New estimation workout.
All right, 24 inches exactly. Check. And a 1/2 inch on each side. Looks good. All right, time to fit this new piece. Perfect, just like the original. Perfect fit. Looks good. Let's start the welding. Perfect. Let's see how it looks. Almost done here. Need to make sure the surface is perfect. Okay, that seam holds tight. No.
Nice work.
Just need to check the rear section now. Okay, that seam holds tight. No.
Nice work.
Just need to check the rear section now. The dashboard panel is set. Now for the gauges, wire it up.
Yep.
I've got the ceramic coating. Time to get that mirror finish.
Yes, it works perfectly. Incredible. Perfect.
What a ride. The curves, the paint, the chrome, it's perfect. Every panel reflects the dream. Wow. The restoration is absolutely perfect.